So many.
Impossible.
Impossible. Hey guys, nag-uusap kami tungkol sa ano, kung gusto ba niya magkaroon ng 3 anak o 2 anak. Sabi niya, hindi niya kaya, isa lang daw. So pinag-uusapan namin. We are talking about in the future if you want triplets or 2, but you said no. You are only one. Yeah,
only one.
Yeah, he's like only one kids for in the future.
Only
Yeah.
one. It's okay.
But for you, mom, how about you? Do you like triplets or 2 twins? If you,
See, for me to win.
yeah, she
Twins?
like it, twins. So si ma'am naman yung asawa niya gusto niya twins daw. So paras kami. We just we just some examples, or we're just talking about example. No, Sir Simon, Sir Simon. Simon as name in the Bible name Simon.
Yes.
With call it from Peter. Yeah, Peter, you are now Simon. Amen na. So, ayan. Wento lang, usap-usap lang ng mga yes ko. So, ngayon, papunta na kami sa helicopter island.